Hey guys, good morning. So just now I came back from tuition. So now, first of all, I'm going to have freshen up, and after that, I'll have meal, and then I'll take the rest, and then I'll do study. So guys, yesterday also I did not do study in the night, and I wake up for an hour and that's why I wake up late. So I can't avoid mobile from me. And okay, so like I leave Instagram, and that's like I want to avoid mobile. And I want to uh, that can't I can't express that word. So okay, now first of all I'm going to have meals. Let's go. So guys, some time ago I came back from tuition, and after that when I came back from there, I stuck in mobile. So guys, I can't leave my mobile habit. So I leave Instagram and watching reels, but how can I read up to use of mobile and habit? I don't know. And when I came back from tuition in the morning, at that time I again stuck in mobile. And I thought like I'll do study for today, and I can't do. And now also in day I decided to do study in the night, but I just waste my time. And also 2 days ago I did study, and whatever my regular task I did properly, and everything was running properly. But from yesterday I did not study. Yesterday I did study for 2 to 3 hours, and that was I feel like I did study so much, and that's why I'm feeling like I'm getting some rest. And but this rest is dangerous for me, because if I'm taking rest, and then uh, it will taking so much time for rest, and time is wasting. None, nothing is much. So okay, whatever it is. So now I'm going to have freshen up. I freshen up, and uh, when I go for the meditation, at the time I distracted and I use mobile. So okay, now I am going to do meditation. And guys, I am today very tired, because I was whole day I was use mobile, and uh, did time pass, and nothing to and I did not do study. So okay, now I'm going to do meditation, and after that completing all the tasks I will have been. And I'll directly sleep without using mobile. I'll sleep, and I wake up early in the morning. From tomorrow I'll start exercise, because now I have time to do exercise and so many tasks. And when I if college will start, it will not time for me, and whole day I'll in college, and in the morning I'll go for tuition. And when I come back from there, I'll go to the college, and again go to the tuition. And that will a regular routine will follow. I will follow. And there will no time for myself, and any task, and any um, rest. So okay, so in 1 month I want to fit myself, and I am getting so much fatty in belly fat, so I want to remove them. So okay, so now I'm going to do meditation. So first, so guys, I just did meditation. So now I'm going to have meal, and after that I'll go for walk. And when I came back from there, I'll complete my all the tasks, and I'll directly sleep, because today I was not doing any task. I did not do any task, and just to waste my time in mobile, and I was stuck in mobile. And okay, I want to read up, and I want to leave my habit from mobile. So okay, so now first of all I'm going to have meal, and after that I'll go for work. And from tomorrow I will do exercise. Since 1 month or 2 month I'm telling this, but not any use. So okay, uh, so now I'm going to have meal. So let's see. So guys, I just had a meal. So now I'm going for walking, and after came back from there. So I thought like my wish like I think like what word I don't saying that. So after came back from them, I'll watch movie. So I'm getting sleepy, but without watching movie, I'm depressed like this, whatever it is. So okay, from tomorrow or I don't know. I think when I when I have a responsibility at that time, when I will have a responsibility at that time, I'll be serious. But now I can't serious, and when I go for any work at that time, I am very excited and motivated. But after 1 day or 2 day, I am getting nervous, and I am not doing anything. So okay, so today's nothing any I did not anything, and I waste my 2 days day this today. So okay, now I am going for walk, and whatever my task I'll complete there, and I'll upload this video. And okay, so that's it for today's vlog. So we will meet another one. Okay, bye bye.